TRG, Feathers here, and Monkey Tag actually just got changed to I don't know tag. It got shut down for some reason, Monkey Tag. So today we are playing I don't know tag, and you guys will be starting it off with me. So Pink Monkey, start. Okay.
So someone else got this who
Hi guys. Oh shit!
Pink! Pink!
No, no, please. No, no! I just started the game, bro. I just started, bro.
Tutorial with you.
I just started, bro.
Yeah, me too. I'm trying to. Pink!
I just started, bro. You didn't even let me jump down.
Hey.
Well, I still love my cosmetics. No. Cosmetics are gold.
I don't know. Just like gang, I'm a girl. I'm a boy. I'm a boy. Yeah, I'm a femboy.
For dinosaur though.
You're a femboy.
I like dinosaurs.
My name is Andrew What?
What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
What the fuck's a rustle up in the car?
I'm in the wall.
I'm like the best guy. No, I'm coming. Cool. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I'm coming like every way.
Oh, no, I really like that color code.
What do you mean you're coming every way,
It was like 9 red.
I'm hacking.
Green was
My
like.
colour code's the best gang.
Yo,
My colour
yeah,
code's
can't even get me. I'm too good for you, bro.
No, I don't even have scripts on.
Who wants to get a good ping? Who wants to get a good ping?
Me! I'm just.
too good for the taggers.
Okay, let me tell you a good ping. Can I tell you a good ping? So it is 745. 745. 745.
Right, so I just got a good pink.
3, 2, 1, go. I want orange.
Nobody heard my laugh.
Hi. We'll count.
That's top
Well,
secret laugh.
You have to
go
count. Good.
I like that.
Confidently.
Like that and that. And I also like. Where's my googly eyes? Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah. What else do I like? I also like this. This.
Come with 34.
This.
Okay. But I'm new, guys. You're gonna die.
Someone else want to count?
Mama Coco.
I guess I will.
Guys, wait. I'm coming to the third floor.
I'm not
Ready,
gonna do
set,
these.
1, 2. Go back. I wasn't even ready.
Count
down from 3,
I'm gonna come up.
1,
Over that.
2, 3. Go.
Go back.
That
Oh, thank you,
red
Jack.
wins, that red wins. That black is red.
You gotta count, my guy. Bro, you gotta count. You won. We should do whoever comes in last place gotta count. Okay. I'm gonna count for right now. If I come
Four.
last place, count.
There was.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, but
Who came last?
yeah,
I
I'll
was
take-
not last
If
place.
you-
That's fine.
Bro.
It was
That was small hands. You were in last place, bro. Can I say break?
Yeah, he was in last place. PCAT came
Yes,
in
it was.
first.
Can I
Yes, he was in last.
I came
Yeah.
No, I wasn't.
Yes,
I
he was
came
in last
second.
place.
No,
I
it
joined
wasn't.
Well, yo,
you
Pink,
ain't
what's your
something.
color code? What's your color code?
He did.
What's your color code?
I don't know.
Bro,
Damn, bro.
don't count, bro. Just go count.
Do you reckon I could like pick it up?
Ready, can you count? You
Bro,
count?
you just gotta count for 1 round, my guy.
3, 2,
1, go.
like a red one. This way. Who gave me last place?
Okay,
Yeah, I know,
I
it's
go
crazy.
last.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go try and get my phone really nice.
1,
Bro, on your input,
Bro,
boy.
no,
Look.
no, go, go, go.
Isn't that the really nice bullshit?
3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Yes, not 1, 2, 3. Go, bro. No, bro, I beat my shit.
1, 2, 3, go, go, go.
I'm not gonna run through this stuff, though.
Unfair. Okay.
That
Ready, set. I'm pretty.
not bad.
3,
Wait, pretty slow.
2, 1, go, go, go. Red was last
That's
place.
actually
Red was
not
last
bad. I
place.
really like
Yeah,
that.
bro, because of my strike.
Okay, let's get to a pub.
3, 2, 1, go. This pink one. Get my last
So guys, I just joined the server.
So that's basically all today's video. I just want to know. Let's see what the
I can't say your name, it's dead.
yeah, bye.
Your name is Chris.